Frankie, welcome to Cooking with Frankie Meatball. Today, we're going to make some Jalapeño Popper Eggrolls.
Hey, I'm Kevin.
And I'm Johnny E. from Philly Rock Radio.
And you're about to get cooking
with Frankie Meatball.
I'm Frankie Meatball with the YouTube cooking show. I'm Frankie Meatball of the cooking show with you. I'm Frankie Meatball every Wednesday a new show. I said it, you heard it, it is fun.
Jalapeño Popper Eggrolls. Let me tell you, I made them once and they were like, wow, okay? But this time I'm going to try something a little different. Last time I cut the pepper, stuffed the cream cheese, the bacon in there, and then rolled it up. This time I'm going to make the cheese. Put the cheddar cheese in. Chop up the jalapenos and make the egg roll. Okay, no me, the fresher the better. Egg roll dough. I have a video. You'll see it at the end of this. It will teach you how to make some egg roll dough. The recipe is going to be in the description anyway. But anyway, go back, check out my other videos. Forget about it, right? You want to heat your oil up to about 350. You remember how we made that homemade fryer? Well, this time I got a nice little commercial countertop deep fryer. And it's part of my surprise why I got some cool toys here. Make sure you cover it, okay, because you don't want it to dry up. Make sure you put some flour in between the layers so they don't stick, okay? So I'm going to put this to the side, clean up a little bit, and then we're going to do our mise en place. I got my cheddar cheese that we got to grate. We got our bacon. We got to chop. We got our jalapeno that we need to chop also. We're going to cut them, we're going to clean them, we're going to be good. But guys, I highly recommend whenever you're playing with hot peppers to wear some gloves. If I don't fit. Anyway, get the gloves on. Should have got a large. I got a medium. I thought I had smaller hands, huh? I'm gonna get my newest addition to the knife family. So here we go. We're gonna cut this jalapeno down the middle. Okay? And then I'm gonna just take out the veins, take off the stem. Alright? Just gonna pop it to the side. Guys, you can put as many as jalapenos as you want. It's up to you. Again, you want it hot, put a lot. You don't want it hot, you don't put a lot. You want it peppery, you put a lot. You know what I'm saying? Then we're just going to cut these, dice them up. I like them diced, nicey dicey. Keep your gloves on. Now you want 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese, okay? That's the only thing that we're going to measure in this dish, trust me. Everything else in this dish is your preference. You want a lot of peppers, you put a lot of peppers, you know? It's all up to you. Now, we got our peppers chopped, okay? I'm just going to move this to the side. I got wax paper over here. I'm going to put everything on the wax paper. So I got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got 8 pieces of bacon. I'm just going to chop it up here. Okay? Ooh, you hear that nicey crunchy? Nicey nice here, huh? Nicey dicey. Okay? Bring it all together and just run your knife through it again. Stay tuned, we're gonna just grate our cheese here, guys. Okay? Oh yeah. Everything's better with cheddar, huh? You got Fight Story. You remember John Messina, right? John Messina? You remember him from the Wing Off last year, right? He told you all about his story. Now you can catch it on Amazon Prime. Forget about it, guys. Get your cream cheese. Okay, I got my coffee here. Make sure you get it room temperature. You could use whipped cream cheese, which is softer, but I like it in the block, you know what I'm saying? Salt and pepper's in there, okay? So you can use your favorite barbecue rub, just like the armadillo eggs, you know what I'm saying? You can season this however you want. Unfortunately, I don't have any more Frankie Meatball rub made up, so I'm just going to throw a couple little things that I usually put in my rub. So right here, I got some chipotle powder. I'm going to sprinkle some of that. Again, it's up to you how much you want, how much you don't want, okay? This is all how you want it. I mean, I give it a nice little coating, okay? That's how I go by it. I go a nice little coating, and I feel it, you know what I'm saying? Because what did I say? Feelings are in everything. Your music, your food, okay? Music is what feelings sound like. Food is what feelings taste like, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to do a little smoked chili powder, all right? A little bit of paprika, little bit. That's not, a little bit, my friend. I'm gonna do some white pepper. I'm gonna pop it in my hand a little bit because you know you don't want too much of that. Okay. I'm gonna do some garlic powder. Watch, because this comes out quick. You know. I'm gonna do some cumin. All right. So since we're making egg rolls, I gotta do some of that ginger powder. Yep. Everybody's ginger. Oh, forget about it. This is me. Oh, some ginger powder. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna make this disappear. Ready? Abracadabra, disappear. Magic. So, give us a little mix with all them seasonings. Oh, look at that, huh? Again, you know, put whatever you want in it. Season it how you see fit. I'm gonna throw a nice handful of jalapeno. Go light with the jalapeno peppers at first because you can't take away once it's in there. I mean, you can, but it's gonna be a while. You gotta peek, forget about it, right? I'm gonna throw a little bit more in, boom. I'm not stingy with the bacon. Throw some bacon in there, right? I'm not stingy with my cheddar, because everything's better with cheddar. It's up to you how much cheddar you wanna put, I'm telling you. I'm gonna mix this with my hand if you guys don't mind, but just get in there, mix it good. Do. Mix it real good. That's how I remake my music, okay? I mean, you can see the seasoning throughout, the color change. I mean, hey, it's good. I mean, season it how you want. So, I mean, I think that's got just enough pepper in there. I'll throw a little more bacon in there. I mean, again, it's up to you. You want more bacon? You don't want more bacon? You think it's fine without the bacon? You can leave it without the bacon. I mean, hey, it's your world. I'm just living in it, hey? All right, look at that. I gotta go with more cheese. Please, take it easy. I gotta go with the cheese. Now, look at that. You could just grab a cracker and dip a cracker in that. That looks so good. Look at that. Nice and yummy, yum in my tummy, tum. Yummy in my tummy, tum. Hey, guys. I cleaned up a little bit. I'm doing a little bit. All right. Put some more wax paper down. Get yourself a bowl of water. You gotta dip your finger in, you'll see. All right, so let's start. We're gonna go. Let's try these big ones first. All right. This is the first time I made them that big. Trust me. Get a nice glob. think that's a little too much, but who's judging? All right, so we're gonna pull over. We're gonna wrap it. Okay, just pull, give it a nice little tight. You don't want it too loose. Okay, make sure you want to close everything up. Dip your finger in the water. Okay, and just go over it. Go over the dough. Right? You're gonna love these guys. You can always dip in. Make sure it's sealed, because you don't want that mess going in. And you know what I'm saying? Look at that. Nicey, huh? All right, so let's try a mini guy, huh? Let's see what these little mini guys look like. I'll tell you what, since we're going to use a mini, or a small one, we don't want to call it a mini, we're going to put our pepper down. I'm just going to put our filling right in the pepper. You don't have to be stingy with the filling, okay? You don't have to be stingy with the filling. Look at that. Yep. Alright, that's some of this. Get that nice and nice. Get your glue, make sure you got glue. Remember, if you see like an opening, always pinch it. You don't want that stuff in your oil. Lost it. Look at that. See that? I'm going to pinch that together. And a little baby. Rock a baby, hold me tree up. Yeah. Alright, we're going to do a nicey. So guys, there's no need for you to watch me do my thing. So this is where you do it. And you do it. And you do it. Till it's all gone, huh? I'll see you back. Here is the rolls, and with some of the dough, make Chinese noodles. So you got your oil heat up to 350, right? What we're gonna do, we're gonna grab one of these guys, we're gonna put that in there, nice and nice. We're gonna put a nice big guy in there, bada boom, bada bing. And then we're gonna do another little guy. All right, 350 guys. Let that cook up. How about that, guys? Look at that. We got our little ones with the pepper, with the stuff. I made some Chinese noodles. It's the same dough. If you want to make soup, you want to make your Chinese noodles, go, like Buddy Meatball said, go put some salt on it, you know. But this is good, guys. Also, when you're cooking them, they might open up a little bit, so make sure you use enough glue. So let me bring this over here and get a knife. All right, let's just cut inside of this. See how it looks. Yeah, huh? Nice crunch. Oh God, so cheesy and yummy and bacony, jalapeno-y. Really good. You take the one with the pepper. Let's see how that tastes. Look at that. Little pepper in there, huh? Oh, good. Yeah. Great texture to the pepper. Not real crunchy. It's not too mushy. Nice heat on there. You can make them big, you can make them small, bite size, like I said to me. This is bite size, because I like shoving it in my mouth. I mean, everything is bite size, you know? So let me tell you, if you like what you saw, hit like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that bell notification bell so you get notified every Wednesday at 6:30, 7 o'clock when I put out a new video. Depends how work's going, you know what I'm saying? Also, check us out on Instagram. Check us out on Facebook and TikTok. Also, check out my guys, PhillyRockRadio.com. They play everything from the 4 or 5 inch to the band. Mama God was a rock. So, I gotta tell you something. I wanna go finish this. I know you wanna go make it. So, I'm gonna have to tell you. Until next time. Forget about it, huh? It's a Frankie Meatball production.